One of the biggest challenges addressed by interactive value journeys is that SAP's customers do not understand its offering well enough. So what we try to do is to provide a tool to address this complexity in our portfolio and make it simple to understand. Putting together an interactive value journey doesn't take a lot of time. The biggest effort really goes into laying out the storyline, thinking about what matters the most to the customer, and thinking about the customer's everyday business challenges and needs. We put together a team consisting of UX experts, designers, developers, and solution managers. And we started working on a prototype, which quickly became adopted by an early community. We were fortunate enough to put together a team that was diverse enough, but also focused and looking into the same direction to achieve the goal of providing something which hasn't been there before. Interactive value journeys have been accessed by more than 4,700 unique users so far in 2022, and these numbers are growing every day. This shows us that the adoption and the need for something like interactive value journeys is really there. Making SAP's portfolio understandable is one of the key challenges we have in these days, on our way to help customers to transform into cloud companies.